last recording ended, so we're going to pick up where we left off. So remember, we are going to gist the important events that happen in this part of the text. And so let's continue to read. Just one more game. I think my father is dying, and now I am out of bounds when I see a familiar face behind our bench. My brother Jordan Bell, head buried in sweet tea, his eyes welling with horror. Before I know it, the whistle blows, the ball in my hand, the clock running down, my tears running faster. The last shot. 5. A bolt of lightning on my kicks. The court is sizzling. My sweat is drizzling. Stop all the quivering, 'cause tonight I'm delivering. I'm driving down the lane, sliding, 4 dribbling to the middle, gliding like a black eagle. The crowd is rumbling, rustling, roaring. Take it to the hoop. Take it to the hoop. 3-2, watch out, 'cause I'm about to get dirty with it. About to pour filthy sauce all over you. Oh, did you see McNasty's crossover? You, now I'm taking you, ankle breaking you. You're on your knees screaming, please, baby, please. 1, it's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's up, up, up. My shot is flowing, flying, fluttering. Oh, the chains are jingling, ringling, and swingling. Swish, game over. Go ahead and pause here and remember that you are going to jot at least 2 important events related to Josh and basketball and about Dad. Once you've completed the activity, check your understanding. And so I want to stamp that as the clock runs down, Josh sees JB's face and realizes his dad has died. A few seconds later, Josh makes the winning shot in the championship game. Okay, and so your last activity is to share your reaction to the poem for Dad.